Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix GTA Vice City mouse is not working in Windows 11 operating system by the very simple way. First of all, we just go to the GTA and see the problem. Double click on GTA. Now my mouse is not working. So I just start my game by keyboard. Now my mouse is not working. So I quit the game. Now just go to the shortcut of your GTA. Right click on shortcut of GTA. Go to the properties. Here we find compatibility mode. Just click on compatibility. Here we find compatibility mode. Run this program in compatibility mode for. Check this and just select at here Windows 98 or Windows Me. Then just select run this program as administrator. Check this. Apply this. Okay. Now check our problem is solved or not. Just launch the GTA. Now my mouse is working. Now I check it working in game or not. So now in game my mouse is working 100%. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix GTA Vice City mouse is not working in Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.